Okay, things I love. My mother, butterflies, small kittens that are all fluffy, diesel punk, steampunk and engine parts. We have this. This was given to us, of course, by Canterbury Automotive, and it is the gearbox out of some car or other. Obviously, that's where the clutch plate goes, and that's the bell housing, and all those marvellous gears are right in there. So we're going to take this apart. The person I blame for this is Ross from Intelligent Tinkering, because he brought around one of his diesel punk lamps that I thought was awesome. So I've removed the gear set, and here it all is, and it was a bit of a job. And we can slide those gears and rings off and have a look at it. But what I want to do basically is get those laid out a little bit and do some kind of arrangement that looks nice. So let's just pull those off and do that. Okay, so I picked up this candle holder, which I thought would look kind of cool on there, and it has this glass that goes with it for the candle, and I thought that'd be an awesome kind of lamp design. But of course, this sort of stuff is really up to you, and there's a ton of ways you can go. All I've done is drill a hole in it because we're going to fit a lamp holder in there and fit that lamp holder to this. Okay, so to fix the lamp holder, obviously you need something to screw it in, so what I've got here is an M10 nut, and I'm going to weld it onto the body of the lamp, and that will do me just Jim dandy. They just screw that on and that's it finished. So with special thanks to Russ from Intelligent Tinkering for the idea, we followed that through pretty much with what he did actually. Now it's changed because this section can change a lot, so you change that section to kind of meet with what you like. I've also put this LED tube in, looks a bit like a Nixie tube, so we plug that in, there we go. There is our diesel punk light made from a gearbox, a candle lantern, and an LED lamp. Love it actually. I'm probably going to give this back to the guys at Canterbury just as a thank you for everything they do for us. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching.